Down. Stay. Down. That's not what you're supposed to do. Stay down. Right there, look up. Last bite. Down. Down. Stay in your chair. No, get back in your chair. Get up in there. Get in your chair. Down. 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 Get in your chair. Get back up in your chair. Come on. Get in your chair. Yeah, you burped. Good job. Down. 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 Good job. I know. Stay.
Yeah guys, this really sucks really bad. I just put these floors in. I'm gonna have to move all the dog kennels. Well, the back bedrooms, both bathrooms. It happened within 10 minutes. So we're running a steam cleaner because I have a steam cleaner, but right as we start sucking up all the water, the steam cleaner breaks. Yeah, that's the kind of day we're having, guys. Sucks. So he's steam cleaning my carpet right there. You guys, seriously, when I stepped foot out of my bedroom, the water covered my whole foot. It was that deep. Like, I could not believe it. MeiLee! Get back over here! The dogs are a little bit upset. They're in their kennels right now, just hanging out. I think that the girls know we were upset because the girls have been having some problems with their collapsing trachea. You alright, T? But I gave them some honey and they seem to be okay. And Maisie's in there circling. It's okay, Maisie, you can come out in a little bit. I gotta get everything soaked up before they come out. And MeiLee's just hopping around because she needs to be fed in a few minutes. You need to be fed, dude. That's gonna be hard to do. Hey guys, so Mason is awesome and helped me get most of the water already sucked up. We rented the steam cleaner. That went well. We steam cleaned. She's crazy. Now we just have to wash everything because we got everything wet that we own, like every towel and t-shirt and pretty much anything you could think of, blanket. Oh, yeah. So we did all that. I gotta feed this little one. What to eat? Yeah? Wanna eat? That's Pepper. She's mad. She's mad she's in her kennel, but I have to, like, mop the floors a little bit still. But yeah, okay, it wasn't as bad as I expected. Like, when I first saw it and I first stepped my foot down into the couple inch deep of water in my hallway, I was a little bit upset. I'm not gonna lie. I was a little freaked out because I just replaced these floors. It took us a lot of time, and honestly, I would not want to do that again because it was really hard. And MeiLee was a baby then, so it was a little bit easier. Now it would be even harder. But yeah, guys, so it's not as bad as we expected, and everything's pretty much dry. It's just going to be a lot of cleaning still and a lot of laundry, and not what I expected to do tonight. Not at all. She's cute. Are you ready to eat, dude? No matter what kind of hectic stuff is going down. You're not going out yet, Lucky. MeiLee always eats on time. They're mad. Hey! Hey guys, I think we're gonna close out today because. Oh, you just burped. Yeah, it's been a long day, huh, my. Yeah. So we're gonna go, guys, but we hope you all had a good day, and our floors, it looks like they're gonna be okay. The main thing we're gonna have to watch out is to see if they start to warp or anything, and if they do, we'll probably have to replace them all again, so. Oh. Tired puppy. But hope you guys had a good day, and we'll be okay. It wasn't that bad. Could have been worse. Bye, guys.